Hi, good morning. Today is Sunday and today I'm gonna clean my messy bedroom. Also, I'm gonna clean my wardrobe. I cannot find any single thing right now. My gym clothes I cannot find, my work clothes I cannot find. The worst part of this room, which is my the place where I keep all the cosmetics. Every time I will clean, it will get messy within 2 days. This time I found the solution. I will explain you what it's. So don't judge me. I know everybody has a messy room. Cleaning is very therapeutic for me. I do enjoy cleaning and my space is small, so even if it gets little messy, it messes with my head. The wardrobe has become complete useless. USELESS. It has become that. Nothing I can find, which is why I ended up shopping. I think it happens subconsciously. I have no idea what kind of tempts you so much that you have to buy things. Recently, Meesho is one of my interests. By the way, I uploaded a video. It was about Meesho shopping. It's in a way like my first experience when it comes to clothing. I was pretty satisfied in a way. So if you haven't watched, do watch it. So anyways, let's enter my den now. Tere, tere. Tere, 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 tere. My clothes are everywhere. But the main issue is this wardrobe and this cupboard. It's not that bad. I have seen worse. This wardrobe actually screams I have got nothing to wear. It's somehow arranged because I don't just throw things and put it here. Still, it's bad. The worst part is this. Yeah, this is the condition now. Everything is this is my undies section and that is for the bedsheet. This part is okay though, but I have to clean it. Oh my god, this is the real mess. I cannot keep it intact. That's the problem. Even if I clean it within 2-3 days, it just messes up. It's because of the less space and has so many things. I found a solution. Even though there is a lot of space this side, I wanted to actually use that space because this one is all over the place and that is really tiny. This kind of thing, but a little bigger, but on this size. I got 2 racks. So let's try it out. Let's figure this out, okay, together. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe because it really helps me a lot to make another one. It kind of give you that push. This too I got.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love.
Before I had 2, now I have 4 compartments. Now I can literally use this space. So now let's arrange everything and put it here. This one I will keep for makeup. More than keeping the aesthetic, I want to keep it in such a way that I actually use this. I don't use that much, so it will go behind. Same. This is my perfume. I want to use this. When you don't use the proper space, you have no idea where your things are, then it's a loss for you. Because I seriously, when it's cluttered, I had no idea where my things are. I had no idea that I got this serum also.
I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see
this MAC lipstick, the small one. And my pull up. It's not that good though. I was actually planning to buy red lipstick. See, that's the best part about cleaning. You find things. And
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with guessing time. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown.
this is the pile I'm gonna sell, and please follow my Instagram if you guys wanna buy, because it's really beautiful. And all these clothes will be thrifted, like I'll upload in my new Instagram page, like thrifted clothes. And this is the part which I have folded, and one more is left. Oh my god. I know it's not the most aesthetically pleasing setup, but given the space and the amount of clothes I have, somehow I have tried to put it, and I keep all the things here, not under the bed, no nothing. So yeah, this is it, and thank you so much for watching this video, the cleanup. Thanks a lot, and subscribe if you like it. Bye.
Fade
Toodles.
away.